It's Chris-O. Ooh. What I've done, I've just grouted the floor, so I'm about to put on the fan. I can't talk. I'll have the fan going for about an hour or so I can dry everything out, and then I can silicone it. In the meantime, I'm down now, so that'll be about an hour, everything drying nicely so I can do the silicone. And while that's drying, I'll do my second coat of waterproof. The advantage of doing the bathroom and ensuite in the house at the same time is brilliant. You get it on builders' jobs, but I don't do builders' jobs. I do the residential for private people. And in saying that, they're always living in it. So I can only do a bathroom and then get it operational and then come back and do the ensuite. So here we go. All good. Once I've finished with you guys, I'll pump my radio on again. So I do all my brush work first. It's Friday, so it's all working out nicely. It's taken, what's it taken? 3 hours to grout or prepare and grout that ensuite. 3 hours. I pulled out the wedges, prepared it and grouted it up. So it's a Friday, it's a good day. I'll do this, go and have some lunch, do the silicone. It'll take an hour and I'll be off home. It'll be the weekend. Whoop, 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 whoop. I do enjoy the weekends. Gives me a chance to rest a bit. I need to sort of rest a little bit, like 2 years off 70. We're pumping. But I tell you what, if I stopped, I'd be bored to tears and then die. Unless I've got heaps to do, you know, like heaps of travelling and that sort of thing. I haven't quite got the money for that, but I will have. So I'll be able to stop tiling and travel a bit in a few years' time. This is all my joins people, if you're wondering what I'm doing. So this bathroom is just going to be one single panel of glass. You come around, walk in there, so I'll bring my I'll need to get my level out and suss out where I did the fall. I think it's about here roughly. What I didn't do is, but I can't really at this edge, sometimes I'm lucky that I can put my water stop in the grout line of a tile, but it only when it works out like that. I always go up to the roughly the 1200 mark in all my bathrooms when I waterproof. I don't just do a skirting around the place, no. I don't believe in that. Alright people, I won't bore you with my tittle twat anymore. We'll see you. See this thing? It's for you to poke at the subscribe button. Whooshka. We'll see you soon. Hey yo.